Rio Retreat Center is a 90-year-old historic dude ranch that we restored, and we offer 20 different workshops, as well as professional development trainings and private intensives. We also offer lodging and evening activities. We've got auricular acupuncture, we have Tai Chi, we've got yoga, as well as an equine experiential. We offer ropes for couples and families, and we've got other things like a brain spa. At Rio Retreat Center, I like to call it sacred ground. It's a really special place. It's a really healing environment. You know, we've got sunny skies almost every day, and the grounds are beautiful. Energetically, it's just a special healing environment.
So what differentiates our workshops here from a lot of the other places that do workshops is that our workshop facilitators are dedicated to workshops. That's what they do. They not only have specializations in the specific workshop that they are facilitating, they also specialize in doing it workshop style, meaning in a 5-day intense format. For our staff, this is what they want to do, this is their passion, and this is the thing that they do the best.
We have a dedicated team of 10 that do nothing but workshops. They eat, drink, sleep workshops. They're all master's level therapists and highly, highly skilled.
There are some things that people need to go to inpatient treatment or intensive outpatient treatment, a higher level of care. And so we don't design workshops that would take the place of something like that. Our workshops are to help people who are already on a healing journey or just want to start a healing journey but aren't to the level of needing inpatient treatment. And so they have something where they can take a deep dive, get a jump start on their healing journey, or people who are already on their journey realize, I need more on this. And so that's what we help with.
Seeing people on Monday and seeing them again on Friday, and the amount of movement that they've made and how changed they are, that's what inspires me to come back week after week after week. And I have to say, when I cross the cattle guard, my heart just opens and it feels like I am coming home.